Hello to all my YouTube subscribers. This is the official channel of the Science Hub Mutual Aid. In this video, we are going to show you how to use EndNote, and this will be the first part of the EndNote tutorials. How to import literature. Please click on the notification bell and subscribe. EndNote is a powerful literature management software used to help users easily manage subject-related literature and build personal literature databases. Users can easily import and edit the literature. Quickly find, browse the full text of the PDF. Marking, scoring and notes on important literature. Grouping and automatic de-emphasis management of the literature. Quickly cite references in the paper writing. Create a list of references and automatically adjust the reference number. Easy to set up a variety of journals and corresponding reference format and submission templates according to the requirements of the publisher's site literature. Realize cloud synchronization, view and edit literature anytime and anywhere. Each version of the software will bring some new features. Before introducing the basic features, 2 notes about installing the software are prompted. Number 1. All Office software needs to be closed before installation. Number 2. You need to uninstall the old version before installing the new version. EndNote includes the following features. Directly connecting to thousands of databases and provide a common search method. Managing the database with no upper limit. Managing at least hundreds of thousands of references. Embedding shortcut tools into the word editors. Inserting references conveniently while writing papers. Using less system resources, and so on. Now, let's move to the formal study. First, let's learn how to import literature. The first step. Establish the literature database. Double-click to open the home page of the software. Since it's the first time we've opened EndNote, we need to create a new library before entering or just click File. Click New. Select the Save path. Here it is recommended that do not save the files in the C disk, so as not to affect the speed of operation or cause file damage or loss. Create a new library and name it according to your need. For the sake of our demonstration, we'll just name it my EndNote library, and save this folder to the D disk. Click Save. At this point, we can see that 2 contents are generated at the location where the file is saved. One is the EndNote mode and format file, the other is the corresponding data folder. When you need to transfer data to another device, you can copy these 2 files directly. The second step, import documents. After establishing the literature database, the document management interface pops up automatically, and then you can start to import documents. Click File. Import. File or folder. Import a single document or import the entire folder according to your need. Here we have already reviewed and downloaded some documents in a folder. Let's click the folder to create a group of these documents. Click Choose to find the folder path. If we include files in subfolders and we create a group set for this import, are checked, the imported folder can be imported together with the subfolders into EndNote, which can help to create a new group for this folder and keep the original classification settings. In this case, they are all checked. In the Import option, select the file format you want. Then wait a moment, the import is complete, and our files appear in the library. Okay, that's all of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.